Welcome to AppIQ. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Android battery draining fast. So, for example, you notice that even though you are doing some simple messaging or just checking some files, you notice that your battery is draining really fast. So, to fix that, what you're gonna do is go to the Settings app and then scroll down until you see battery. So, you can see the battery usage. So, it's mainly used by social media and then the clock. And scroll down, you can enable the battery protection and then you can click on that one so it can be just basic or maximum. So in this way, your battery will not charge at full capacity because it leads to battery deterioration, and then as well as enable the power saving.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish simple step-by-step tutorials showing you how to use your favorite apps, its settings, and various features. And so if you're finding these tutorials useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below to also show some support and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming up every single day. Thank you guys for watching and let's continue.
So if you click on that one, you can limit the CPU speed to 70%, turn off the always on display, decrease brightness, and then things as such listed there. So this is very helpful. You're just doing some administrative tasks on your phone. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.